Mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ũrĩa ũratongoria gĩkundi kĩa mawakiri cira-inĩ wa wendia wa igai rĩa mũingĩ kambuni-inĩ ya Safaricom nĩandĩkĩire president wa igoti rĩa gũcokia macira riko gũtetia ũrĩa igoti rĩu rĩratwarithia na mbere cira ũyũ. Kalonzo na arĩa mahandĩte cira marekwa kũrĩ na kandi hithani igoti-inĩ rĩrĩ ya kũhe thirikari rũtha rwa kwendia igai rĩa gĩcunjĩ gĩa 15% kĩrĩa kĩnyitĩrĩirwo nĩ thirikari kambuni-inĩ ĩyo.
I am telling the Court of Appeal, this is not just sinister. It is an affront to the sovereignty of the people, which is guaranteed by the Constitution of Kenya, that all power resides with the people. And why we come to the court as the people is when we are not satisfied with the government. We want the courts to adjudicate. We are not in the forest fighting for Safaricom. We are at the High Court, in front of a bench of 3 judges, competent judges, who have given us a hearing date on the 29th, 11 days from now. Why is the Court of Appeal prepared to just vacate the conservatory orders, sell it overnight, and therefore the people of Kenya will never have known what the High Court would have said about the illegal sale of this case, because it would have been overtaken by events.
So we don't understand the hurry to try to evacuate, literally vacate those orders in order to make way for the quick sale. We believe that if the Court of Appeal takes a decision today to lift those conservatory orders, then you can be sure that Safaricom will be sold today. Okay, and I think that is the intention.
Nĩ thutha wa mũnene wa watho kũhiũka igoti-inĩ rĩu gũtetia watho ũrĩa warekereirio nĩ igoti inene wa kũrũgamia wendia ũcio. Cira ũyũ ũratanyĩtwo gũtwarithio na mbere tarĩki 29 mweri ũyũ, ĩndĩ athitangani maramenyithio nĩ ũkũgwetagwo ũmũthĩ.
We are not scared, we are not intimidated. We are simply saying that we have a right to be heard. If Safaricom has to be sold, why can't we allow the High Court to speak and express itself on the petition before it in 11 days' time? And therefore, just to record the protest and to say we are going to court, but we are going to register our protest, and this will not stop here. We are going all the way up to the Supreme Court and to the general election of 2027 against the illegal sale of the Safaricom company.
Igoti rĩcemanirie kũhetũkĩra rũrenda na kuga itua rĩkaheanwo tarĩki 26 mweri ũyũ rĩa kana watho wa igoti inene wa kũgiria thirikari kwendia igai rĩa mũingĩ kambuni-inĩ ĩyo nĩrĩgateanĩrio kana aca.
And Kenyans are concerned about the heritage. These are heritage corporations. And if they're all privatized and sold at a song, then what future are we handing to Kenyan children?
So I'm saying that I will be writing a letter to the United Alternative Government. I will be asking them to give a protest letter to Vodacom International for buyer beware. Anybody who continues to act outside the Constitution, then we must leave open the window that later when power changes in this country, we must be able to revisit this Safaricom matter. And I will be asking friends in the opposition to take this matter now beyond the courtrooms. Because when a court doesn't want to give justice.
Itua rĩrĩ rĩkarekererio thikũ 3 mbere ya igoti inene rĩthikĩrĩirie na gũtuithania cira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.